Somewhere between ancient Greece and your high school geometry class, a simple equation was born that would shape the very foundation of mathematics. On Fact Channels, we're unraveling the mysterious triangle secret known as the Pythagorean Theorem. A story of right angles, clever proofs, and numbers behaving oh so perfectly. Buckle up, this isn't just math, it's legendary problem-solving at its finest. In the swirling mists of ancient history, a secret society once walked in silence beneath the moonlight, the Brotherhood of Pythagoras. Their symbol was not a sword or a crown, but a humble right triangle. Picture this: the sands of Babylon shift under an obsidian twilight. Clay tablets slumber beneath ruined ziggurats. On these ancient stones, scribed 1,300 years before Pythagoras' birth, are cryptic marks, an early whisper of the theorem that would bear his name. Few realize how the theorem's proof was hidden in plain sight by the old Babylonians, not as an abstract formula, but encoded in financial records and the geometry of temple altars. Geometry for them was more than shapes, it was divine order incarnate. Travel east to the banks of the Yellow River, where Chinese scholars inscribed bamboo scrolls. They called it the Gugu Theorem. In the 9 chapters on the mathematical art, right triangles determined land boundaries, built bridges across bustling cities, and even played a role in military formations. Imagine ancient India's lush monsoon forests where Vedic priests chanted formulas as sacred hymns. The Sulba Sutras, manuals for altar constructions, spelled out geometric truths long before they reached Greek shores. These priests used string and pegs to manifest cosmic laws into earthly ritual. But what if I told you the Pythagorean theorem isn't just about triangles? It is a cosmic key, a cipher through which civilizations measured mountains, mapped stars, and even weighed the earth itself against the empty sky. Centuries later, Euclid stepped forward with an elegant weapon, pure logic. In the labyrinthine pages of Elements, Proposition 47 blossomed, a proof not merely stated but illuminated. He transformed what was once magic into universal mathematics. With each proof comes a new lens. There are over 400 unique demonstrations, from Leonardo da Vinci's artful dissections to President Garfield's quirky use of trapezoids. Each reveals another facet of simplicity masquerading as complexity. Pause for breath. Did you know the Pythagorean theorem is not merely terrestrial? Astronomers wield it to chart distances across galaxies, triangulating light years with nothing but beams and angles, deciphering cosmic maps inked in starlight. On Japanese shores, math became art. Samurai scholars painted sangaku tablets with colorful geometric puzzles and hung them in Shinto shrines, a silent challenge to future minds, wrapped around variations of right triangles. Let's consider Africa's story. Dogon astronomers crafted mud diagrams matching Sirius's orbit with uncanny precision. Their measurements echoed Pythagorean logic centuries before Western contact. Their equations danced beneath Malian moonlight. For most, schoolroom memories evoke chalk dust and rote recitation. Yet when Einstein bent space and general relativity, he unearthed one astonishing truth. In curved worlds, the theorem breaks and reforms, revealing new geometries beyond human intuition. There are whispers that even music owes thanks to Pythagoras. The ratios defining harmonious intervals are not far removed from those in right triangles. Vibrating strings sing a song once encoded by numbers carved on ancient stone. Did early architects know their pyramids owed their shape to this principle? In Giza's shadow lies evidence. Craftsmen used knotted ropes to lay perfect right angles, a method surviving today among builders who've never cracked open a math textbook. Consider this paradox. There are infinite sets of whole number solutions, Pythagorean triples. They're found scrawled on Roman tiles and woven into Navajo blankets. They guided American surveyors carving railroads across untamed plains. If you enjoyed these facts, give us a like and hit subscribe for more awesome discoveries every week.